Roses are red and violence is too. I want to punch Logan in the face. How about you? Bring me in.
It's a lovely night. We have a hurricane hot on our tails. Welcome to GALOT Motorsports Park once again. We are out here with them boys. That's right. We got John L out here with the F-body. And we got Brody out here with the El Camino that you just saw us out on the dyno with again. We're doing a little bit of testing, getting ready for Streetcar Takeover Darlington. See what these cars can do. We're trying to get both these cars into the fives tonight. 8th mile testing. We're going to be running quarter mile in a couple weeks. That's the Junior Dragsters out here making a whole bunch of goddamn dragging. John Force Jr. over here.
That's what Sean does. So he can't use that.
What? 9?
You heard it plug down with the brake.
There's no way that was a 9.
I think you need to pop that CO today.
There's no way that was... You... What's that from? Kill Bill? Wiggle your right foot, your right toe? Oh, yeah. I'm sneaking up on you. You can't even see me, but you don't know. I'm coming for you. I'm coming. This is quite possibly the sexiest f***ing Malibu on the planet, Mr. Tim Dunn. Get him. Let's go. Woo! Mr. Tim, we got the drive-in movie theater screen going on in here right now.
Hold on. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. What you got? Oh, so sick. All right, you're only on camera. No pressure. Don't suck. Round 2. The heart of Killface lives on in this car. Oh, no, he's making me freaking run. A little too spicy.
Front end back sound.
Let's the spicy meatball.
It bit, front end maxed out.
Yeah. It's the man! Who stopped him? So what do you think, mother? We just spent a whole week in a box Chevy running drag week.
Yeah.
We're coming for you. What do you think?
Hey, man.
What do you think our chances are?
Great. The chances are great.
Well, my man's not on rims tonight, so we're gonna see some hush-hush numbers, but we're gonna see some action. Oh yeah, good luck, brother.
I appreciate you.
This is one of the baddest cars on rims, hands down. And we're out here, you get to actually see him run on 15s, on radials, an actual race tire. So this should be a treat, ladies and gentlemen. My God, son, what? What you know about that? Oh, baby. Who's doctor? Ain't nobody coming. That man is cut from a different cloth, ladies and gentlemen. Huh? New best? New best? You want more? Oh, we got more. There's more. Fiberglass Model A replica body. Sitting on top of a full golf cart frame. The coolest ride at the track. Well, that is a wrap for testing out here at GALOT Motorsports Park. Shout out to everybody that works here at GALOT Motorsports Park. Literally, there is a tropical storm bearing down on North Carolina, and they said YOLO and put on a amazing test session. Track prep was on point. I think both of these guys pretty much set some new bests. Yeah, both of them. And we have a whole bunch of fantastical data to work with when we go to Darlington, South Carolina for Streetcar Takeover. That's it for here at Clapdown. I'm Ryan.
You gotta like, comment, subscribe, and go to checkoutclap.com for your merch.
We're doing a giveaway, right? It stinks. We're doing a giveaway. It smells horrible.
Right, how you doing, Logan? The South Central Kentucky field office clapped out. Call me when you get a chance. We got to discuss tonight's podcast, the timing of which needs to be changed. All right, we'll talk to you soon. We look forward. We got big things coming for all of us involved here at Clapped Out. Look forward to speaking to you. I'll get you over to Janice and Billing when I get a chance as well. Get all those accounts settled up, all right? Thank you so much. Have a good day. Talk to you soon. All right, goodbye.